Hello class, I will be practicing the ping command and the tracert command to find information from the internet that relates to the IP address, and this will test out the speeds of how fast the packet gets there, how many hops it takes, and its cycles. So here for the first step, I will type ping google.com, and here I am pressing enter. And that's the information that's coming back. And here I'm ready to try the second step, which is trying a tracert command. So I will type tracert and then google.com and enter. And that's the information that's going now. And there's over a maximum of 30 hops here. So here's the cycle. I see cox.net is right here. That's my internet service provider. So here I see more information going through. Okay. Right now I'm just waiting for the tracert command to finish. Okay, the trace was complete. So now I'm ready to try the last step, which is visiting the city of london.gov.uk. So here I will type tracert, and as step 4 says, I will type www.cityoflondon.gov.uk. I suspect that this tracert command will take just a little longer because it's from a website that's not in the United States. So let's see how this goes. So here I am pressing enter. So here I see that the information packets traveling through San Diego, Dallas, New York, London, it says right here, then London again. And here it seems like I feel like I'm losing a connection here, but I'm still not sure. So right now I'm just waiting for the trace to complete, which I'm not sure if it will or not. I see the request timed out just about now. And just like the other step, I suspect that the trace may be over. But I'm still going to give it a couple seconds. Okay, so no information is coming in yet, so I will exit the tracert command now. And here, by pressing control -C, I was able to bring up a new command right here, so I could try out another command. But that was the 4th step of the ping me assignment, and so I've learned a lot about the differences between these pings and the tracert commands, and yeah, I look forward to learning more about these. I find it interesting that the information travels around, and I think it's good to have that information about how many hops it takes for the information to go through and the cycles. Thanks for watching.